Hi students, good morning to all of you and welcome to my channel. So students, here is another class of that phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, that is class Apes, which includes all the birds. So students, it includes all type of birds, flight birds, non-flight birds, aquatic birds. It includes all type of birds that are available all over earth. As you know, the study of bird is called as ornithology. As they eliminates the nitrogenous waste in the form of an uric acid named as ornithine. So because of that elimination of ornithine, it is called as ornithology, the study of birds. Birdman of India is Dr. Salim Ali. Salim Ali को Birdman of India कहा and is the great ornithologist. Birds are glorified reptiles. Students, birds are glorified reptiles, reptiles with that wing. So it is glorified reptiles and feathered biped also. They have two legs for walking, running and swimming, and it is also feathered biped as they stand in two legs. Students, birds are warm-blooded animals or homeothermic animals like us. They can regulate their body temperature in spite of any change in the external surrounding temperature, and these are endothermic animals. As body temperature is almost constant, they are able to maintain their body temperature. That is why they are called as homeothermic or warm-blooded animals. Body is boat shaped. Both the end pointed like that of a boat and the middle part is wider. So it is boat shaped and divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. But the neck is long and flexible. It can move to different directions. Presence of feather all over the body, and the body is covered by feathers. That feather keep them warm and light, which help in flying as well as keep their body warm by presence of these feathers. Feathers are modified epidermal scales. Once again, students, feathers are the modified epidermal scales. Skin is dry and without glands, but preen gland or oil gland present at tail. This gland secretes oily secretion, which lubricate in action and lubricate that feathers. Feather को lubricate करोच, oiling करोच. Forelimbs are modified into wings which help in flying. In case of reptilians, two pairs of limbs, but here the forelimb get modified in the form of wings which help in flying. Hind limbs are for perching, walking, swimming. In these purpose, hind limbs are used, and a hind limb is covered by scales, epidermal scales. Digestive tract has additional chambers. That additional chamber is crop and gizzard. Crop for easy ingestion, quick injection of food, storage of food, and gizzard is there which help in crushing of food. Olfactory organ is less developed. Olfactory or sense of smell is less developed in comparison other group of animals. 12 pairs of cranial nerves arises from brain and innervate into nearby organs. Urinary bladder absent and copulatory organs are also absent. And their copulation is called as cloacal kiss. Birds' copulation is called as cloacal kiss. As cloaca come in contact together of that male and female, then the male one releases that sperm into the cloaca of female. That is why the copulation is called as cloacal kiss. Nictitating membrane is present over that eyeball which protect the eyeball from any foreign particles that will fall upon it. Pectin is found in eye which meant for distinct and distant vision, but it is absent from QE. QE is flightless bird. It is the national bird of that New Zealand. And external ear present without ear pinna. Here we have ear pinna, but in case of birds, ear pinna is absent. External ear present, but ear pinna is absent. Oesophagus is modified into crop for quick food ingestion. That is why they intake food quickly in comparison to other organisms. But that food stores in that crop and finally it is digested, it is crossed in gizzard. Pigeon milk secreted in both the sexes. It is the product of that crop. Three-chambered cloaca. A three-chambered cloaca is present. Students, jaws are modified into horny beaks and jaws do not provided with any teeth, so toothless jaws are present. Spongy lungs present for respiration. Air sacs are present as accessory respiratory organs. And birds are also called as, according to Young, birds are the master of air as they have ability to fly. But any other organisms they do not fly, but birds having ability to fly, that is why according to Young, it is called as masters of air. Syrinx present at the junction of trachea and bronchi which produces sounds. As you have heard the sound of that cuckoo, sweet sound, parrots. Heart is four-chambered with double circulation. Four-chambered heart is there and double circulation occurs like that of human being or mammals. Hepatic portal system is well developed, but renal portal system is ill developed. Well developed hepatic portal system, but renal portal system is ill developed. Sinus venosus are absent and RBCs are nucleated. As you know, students, birds are able to fly in air. So, to reduce their body weight, some adaptations are there. In case of birds, its body is covered with feather, which provide buoyancy effect, which provide gap in between body and the outer surface. It will warm the body. Pneumatic bones are there. So, due to presence of these hollow bones, the body become lighter and it is able to fly. Absence of some organs, urinary bladder is absent. And only one ovary is present, that is the left ovary. So, by this way, tooth absent, by this way it reduces its body weight and liable to fly. So, sinus venosus absent, keel provided with bones are pneumatic, air-filled cavities are present, which help in flight to lift the body. Keel provide attachment to that of flight muscles. Keel that present the broader end of sternum, which is provide attachment for that flight muscles. Two bones of clavicle and interclavicle, they fused together. Clavicle and interclavicle, the bones of that pectoral girdle. The girdle bone is the complex bone structure that present at the anterior end of trunk. So just below the neck, in the shoulder region, there is a girdle present that is called as pectoral girdle, and that pectoral girdle having two bones, clavicle and interclavicle, fused together to form V-shaped furcula, and it is called as wishbone or Mary thought bone. Here students, kidney is metanephric, ureter open into cloaca, and these are uricotelic. These are uricotelic animal because they eliminates the nitrogenous waste in the form of uric acid. That is why they are called as uricotelic animal. monodelphi, only left ovary as present and oviduct, only left oviduct present or functional. That is why birds are called as monodelphic. These are unisexual. So means sexes are well separated. Sexual dimorphism is well established in the form of male and female. So sexes are separated. These are unisexual. Fertilization is internal. Development is direct. No larval forms present in their life, and they are oviparous as they lay eggs. And eggs are also cladoic, as it is covered by that calcium carbonate covering, that is called as cell. And after hatched out of that egg, parental care is well marked in almost all birds. And there are so many examples of birds, starting from that crow, Corvus splendens, cuckoo, etc. So students, this is all about that class apes. Thank you.